As a real property data analyst in portfolio analysis, you should be familiar with some of our key metrics. This video will explain some of the key metrics that you might need to include in your analyses. First is RPRC, or the Real Property Replacement Cost. This metric tells us how much it would cost to replace a building. The figure that's listed in our database helps us determine how much maintenance we should be spending on the asset. We use the RPRC to help plan maintenance budget allocations. The second is condition index. Condition index is a score that indicates how healthy a building is. The way condition index works is that the lower the number, the better. We often produce statistics that count the number of assets in different condition ranges so that we can report on the number of poor or good condition assets. Square meters. This metric simply indicates the size of an asset. Sometimes we do analysis where we might want to see how much of our meter squared is in good or poor condition. So those are the three initial metrics you'll need to know: RPRC, condition index, and square meters. In the next video, we'll introduce a few more.